Hey guys, it's Orlando and I'm back with another video with Max Auto Detailing, guys. And today we're going to be detailing on a Buick LaCrosse, people. And today they're actually getting our Shamir package. So let me turn the camera around, guys, so you guys can see what we're working on. Okay, guys, heading on out here. Here is the Buick LaCrosse that we'll be working on today, guys. I must say this is a nice vehicle. Okay, so this is what we are working with, guys. Here is everything. I'm gonna get a good glimpse of everything so you guys can really see what's going on. Like I say, guys, we've been having some pretty bad weather over the past 2 weeks, so cars have really taken a beating. But it's okay. That's what Max Auto here for. So we go around the other side, guys, get you a full glimpse of what's going on in this Buick. Yes, sir. Not as bad, but definitely seen better days. Floorboard. You see all the trash down off in there. The wheel here. So, guys, this is the Buick. So, I'm going to turn you guys back on once we get started.
Okay guys, this is the finished product of the Buick LaCrosse. All right, here's the front seat for you guys. Let me take this out for you. She is looking spotless. We take pride in your vehicle all the time. All right, taking you right over here to the back seats. There was a lot of trash that was under the seats over here, but we made sure that we got everything over there. Put the floor mats back in, and she sure does smell good. And look at it shine right there. All right, here's the finished product of this side right here in the back. Looking real clean. All right, and this is the finished product, guys. Over here at Max Auto, Showroom Shine every time. Look at her. Alrighty, we'll get back with you guys when we get the reaction.
Again, people, another satisfied customer. Rolling on out, baby. Max Auto Y'all come book with us. Come see us. We definitely will get you guys right. Yes, sir.